Hi, my friends. We have another fun read aloud for you. Today it's called It's My Turn. Hey, everyone. Let's play. I'm on your team. Can I play? Me too. I'm kicking the ball first. Wow! Home run! It's my turn again. I scored a home run. No, it's not your turn. It's Abby's turn. Hey, it's my turn. That's not taking turns. I'm not going to play kickball with you if you don't take turns. I'm sorry. It's okay. The end. So that was a really quick story. But like we do in school, we always take turns. We've been working with some different games and some different centers and even out at recess. When it's your turn, even if you want to go again really bad, but someone else is waiting, you have to take turns. That's the fair thing to do. So, what I want you to do now is go back to Seesaw, and I want you to record yourself telling me about a time when you had to take turns at school and tell me how you felt about it. I can't wait to hear your answer.